Today's video is sponsored by the Grey People. Open your clip in the Fusion page, and add a merge node. Change the apply mode to screen, and increase the size slider. Bring the contour node in empty space, connect your clip to this, and drag it to the left viewer. Adjust the width slider to your liking. Right-click to the threshold slider, and select to modify it with anim curves. If you want to make the animation faster, go to the Modifiers tab, and increase the scale slider. Add a drip node after, set the frequency roughly around 2, right-click to the phase slider and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, and increase the scale slider to adjust the speed. Back to the Tools tab, play around with the amplitude slider to adjust the strength of the wave. Add a contrast and brightness node, and use the gamma slider to have more control over the edges. Make sure you check the clip black box, just because I said so. If you want, you can also bring down the saturation. Bring a soft glow node, adjust the threshold slider, and the glow size, to your liking, and connect it to the green point of the merge node. At this point you basically need to go through the nodes, spend some days playing around with the sliders until you come up with something that looks okay. Or you can buy my pack, call it a day, and enjoy your lonely and miserable life.